So we just want to remove these three.
Yes.
And is there a concern that they'll loosen and fall out?
Yeah, I mean, we do have to take them fully out, so definitely don't drop them.
Okay. Although it looks like they'll fall in this oil.
Yeah, like it's not gonna be, like we're taking the pin off anyway, so we won't be able to hit them.
Does this thing fall apart?
No,
Like,
no.
Or is this like solid?
It's one solid piece.
So then I guess what we need is like a little bowl.
Yeah, that's what this
Put 'em
is
in there.
technically for. Like, if you ever remove any parts, and there they go.
Might have to get it when we pull the plate out.
Need like a magnet. You can just-
I don't know if these things would be magnetic though. Oh, there's one. This is fun. This is more fun for me than my normal office day.
Working on machines is a lot of fun. I do miss that part of it.
Yeah,
like
I don't-
engineering.
I don't mind this. There you go. Let's see if I can get this last one. Is it just gonna literally fall out if I take this out?
Okay, so in addition to the 3 bolts, there are 2 pins in this hole. I mean, they sit there, like you just have to line it up when you put it back on.
So I just pull it up.
So give it like a little, kind of like a jerk, like a little wobble on both corners to get it moving, and then you should just be able to kind of like maneuver it off. It's real greasy though. And your hand will definitely get a little greasy.
Oh my god, that's heavy as hell. And it's like really slippery.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure you have a good grip. And then you want to set it somewhere where it's not going to fall or get dusty. So I just put it on top of the cardboard box.
Is it extended stroke?
Yeah. And then you just got to push it out of the way of the needle bed entirely. So it's just going to be past this.
Past the bed. Put your finger past the
Like this has to go past here.
Got it. It was camouflaged on that thing. Okay, so we loosen these. These look like they're already pretty loose.
Oh, those are already loose.
Okay. Oops. Shit, it's not a lot of access. Okay, so wait, now don't tell me, but you first push this thing down?
Yeah, just to make more
So
space.
you literally
There's
just
already
like
a-
push it down?
Mhm.
How hard do I?
That's it, you move.
I wonder if it seems like there's some wobble.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be like that, but it should be
Okay.
fine. And then,
And then these things, hang on, hold this. These things you just pull up a little bit. I see. Pull up a little bit. Uh-oh. This is not loosened enough. Oh. That was it. Okay. Did I tighten these on the other one? I hope I did. right, give me that thing. Oh my god, there's like no room. Wait, I don't need to, I just need to make this tight, right? Like I don't need to crank it and hear the noise.
No,
When
no, no,
you're
no, but it does need to be like tight.
tight. Okay. This is awkward. Okay, it's lowered, it's engaged. Now, you pull it back. Now we're gonna test it.
Yeah, we're gonna go slow.
Go slow.
Listen for bad noises. Sounds good.
Let the gate be your time to die. I shall meet death head on. I shall meet death head on. Nicotine, you've got to get out of here. Beware foul demons and beasts, there are many foes here. The time has come to cleanse my homeland. This monastery reeks with evil and corruption. Oh, I hate staining my hands with the blood of foul sorcerers. Eternal suffering would be too great for you, Diablo. Let the gate be your time to die. I shall meet death head on. I shall meet